Good morning to all. Today we are going to start the next chapter, indices or exponents, 7th chapter. In this chapter, you remember some formulas. A raised to power x into a raised to power y will be equal to a raised to x plus y. Mean if the base are same, then exponent will be, there is a sign of multiply, then exponent will be added. If there is the divide, and then it will be equal to x minus y. But if the exponents are same but base are different, then the base will multiply with each one. Now there is the question number 1 is there. 3 raised to power 3 into 243 minus 2 over 3 into 9 minus 1. So now first of all make the base same. 3 raised to power 3 into 3, it will be 3 3 ja 9, 3 27, 3 81, 3 mean it will be minus 2 by 3 into 5, and this will be minus 1 by 3 into 2. 3 raised to minus 10 over 3 into 3 is minus 2 by 3. Now base are same. 3. Here is a negative sign, minus 10 over 3. Here is again minus sign 2 over 3. 3 is LCM. 3 is 9 minus 10 minus 2. This will be 3, 9 minus 12 over 3. And this will be minus 3 over 3. 3 will cut. 3 is minus 1 over 1 over 3 is your answer. Now on the same way, next question is there one. Fifth part of the first question. 16 over 81 raised to power minus 3 by 4 into 49 over 9 raised to power 3 by 2 divide by 343 over 216 raised to power 2 over 3. Now make its factor. 2 over 3 raised to power minus 3 over 4 into 4. 7 over 3 raised to power 3 by 2 into 2. Divide 7 over 6 raised to power 2 by 3 into 3. Now 4 cancel, 2 cancel, 3 cancel. 2 by 3 raised to power minus 3, 7 by 3 raised to power 3, divide by, change the sign, 6 over 7 and raised to power 2. Now open the brackets. This will also change. It become 3 by 2, 3 times into, and 7 over 3 is also 3 times. 6 over 7 2 times and cut 6 7 7 7 3 3 3 3 3 3 2 3 ja 6 2 3 ja 3 3 ja 9 and 9 7 ja 63 over 2 is your answer. Question number 2 is there. A plus B raised to power minus 1 into A raised to minus 1 plus B raised to power minus 1. Solve it. Change this sign. It become 1 over A plus B into 1 over A plus 1 over B. 1 over A plus B, took the LCM AB and it will be A plus B. A plus B will cancel. 1 over AB is your answer. Now question is one more. Second question, third part. 5 raised to power n plus 3 minus 6 into 5 raised to power n plus 1 over 9 into 5 raised to power n minus 5 raised to power n into 2 square. Now from the both sides you took the 5 raised to power n common. here left 5 raised to power 3 minus 6 into here left 5 raised to power n, here left 9 minus 2 to the 4. This will be cancelled. Then 125 minus 30 over 5. Here left 5, 12, 3, 5, 5, 19 is your answer. Question number 5 is there. If 2160 is equal to 2 raised to power a into 3 raised to b into 5 raised to power c, then find the value of a, b and c. First of all, make its factor. Its factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 raised to power a into 3 raised to power b into 5 raised to power c. 2 is 4 time, 3 is 3 time, 5 is once is equal to 2a into 3 raised to power b into 5c. Mean a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 1. So hence b have to find the value of 3 raised to power a into 2 raised to power minus b into 5 raised to power minus c. Then they fill the value of a, b, c here. 3 raised to power 4 to minus 3 and 5 minus 1. Solve it, multiply it. 3 multiply 4 times 81 and 2 multiply 3 times 8 is minus 1 and 1 over 5. Then 81 over 8 into 5. 81 over 40 is your answer. All questions of this chapter or this exercise are same. If there is any problem, you can contact me. And also, after solving the exercise, send me the message. Still, so many students are not solving the question, not doing the homework. So I request the parents, especially parents, to encourage their children. Thank you.